Kia ora and welcome to Wargaming Sorceress, a channel where I help you be fearless with colour and build battle-ready gaming boards. My name is Nicole and I'm a New Zealand-based graphic designer, Pathfinder 2nd Edition Game Master and Wargamer. If you've been around the Conquest or Antares Intel community, you've probably seen some of my armies, such as my Nords, my Dwego, my Varai, and my C3. However, I don't just paint wargaming minis, I also love painting RPG minis and building up terrain. My favourite part of the painting process is creating colour schemes for my miniatures. And it is my personal belief that when you purchase a model, whether that be an RPG mini or a wargaming army, they are yours and should be unique to you and have a colour scheme that is unique. And on this channel, my goal is to give you the tools and techniques to help you to create colour schemes that look amazing on the tabletop and to build boards that are narrative and immersive. If you're looking for just another 40k or Games Workshop focused channel, I'm not going to be the channel for you. However, what you can expect from me are general hobby and conquest related videos, as well as videos that help break down different styles, aesthetics and colour schemes, and providing general inspiration for colour schemes. I want to give you the tools that you need to help build colour schemes and troubleshoot when your schemes are just not looking quite right. Lastly, I want to show you how easy it is to build interesting terrain. I'd love to know if there are any particular topics you would like me to cover, or if you have a colour scheme, style or aesthetic that you would like me to break down. Let me know those in the comments. And I guess I'll see you in my next one.